Hello, this is Amanda Joy with Sublime Pottery. If you have followed my Sublime Pottery Facebook page or watched any of the live videos there, you've likely heard me talk about self-care a lot. I am a huge advocate of incorporating simple self-care practices into your daily routine, just as a reminder that it's okay to take a few moments out for yourself and offer yourself some nurturing. A couple of months ago, I started creating journals with my favorite glaze combos on the cover to open the book, so to speak, for beginning to talk more about journaling as a self-care practice. It's one of my go-to tools that I use, and I became a certified Creative Journal Expressive Arts facilitator a little over 10 years ago, and I use this method pretty much anytime I need to gain clarity or emotional awareness about something that I'm having a hard time connecting with. And so today I am going to share the foundational activity that I use before every journaling session, and it is simply called a dual-handed warm-up activity, and it is designed to get both hemispheres of your brain working together and basically in its simplest usage to get you grounded and centered. And all you will need for this activity is a couple of markers and a piece of paper and a mug of something, and let's get started. I hope that you found value in this activity and you were able to incorporate it as a simple practice in your healthcare routine. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody that you think would find value in it as well. Have a sublime day.